Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring the chocolate emulsion against batter weight because concentration changes flavor and structure. Use 10 to 20% as a starting point, and you can increase later if the cake needs more chocolate impact. Once done, make sure butter and eggs are at room temperature so the emulsion disperses evenly. Cold fats trap pockets. Now add the emulsion into the wet mix slowly while whisking at low speed so it forms a smooth, glossy liquid ready for dry ingredients. Once your wet base contains the emulsion, you proceed by combining the dry mix gently. Use folding motions to avoid tough crumb. You must adjust the chocolate balance. Reduce any extra cocoa powder by about 10 to 15% if the emulsion already delivers deep chocolate, because too much cocoa makes the cake dry. If batter feels too stiff, make sure to add small increments of liquid, about 10 to 15 grams per 100 grams of batter. So you transfer the batter to the pan and bake at the recipe temperature because heat activates the emulsion's flavor release. If the crust darkens too quickly, tent with foil to prevent overbrowning. Once out, cool fully on a rack. Emulsion flavors bloom as the cake rests, so resist slicing hot. If something goes wrong, first check 3 things: emulsion concentration, batter hydration, and oven accuracy. Those are the common causes. Finally, make minor fixes. Rebalance sweetness, brush syrup, or use a ganache to rescue texture and depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.